Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, the binary puzzle, and this one, yeah, the last puzzle is the 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku. 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku, number 8874. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 13 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. More dual boxes? Nope. Only 1, 2 dual box. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box. The 1 and the 3 is already given, so this box should be a 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Here another triple box. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already in the same area, so this box should be a 5 then. Okay, next, oh, here we have another triple box. The 3 is already given, so the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here then. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box, so that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 2 here, and in that case, it's a 1 here. Alright, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here in the same area. So it can't be a 4 anymore. This box will be a 5. It's connected with that box will be also 5. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1. And the 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Surround the 2 can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1. And 4, 1 and 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. Then let me see. Okay. Then this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. And this box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there then. 3. Let me see. I need a number. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And this box can also not be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 in this area. Well, this box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. As a pair. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 5 now. It means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. This box should be a 4. And that box in this area should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. 1 here because we have a double 1 here. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. And if eliminated here, the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Then this, I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. And then, let me see, these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box will be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. And it's connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here also the same numbers. 2 and 3 are missing. Here 2 and 5. Let me think. I think this box can be 1, can be 4, but can also not be a 3, because we have a 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot. If I place a 3 here, then this box is connected with that box, so 3. But we already have a 3 there, so this the number should be the 2 and the 5 here. Is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 1 here. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. I need a 4 here. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left, the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Here I need a 1. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there then. 1, 2, 4. 2 and 5. Okay. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2, 5, and need a 4 here. Okay. Well, we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. It's not the solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It's a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.